Hey Tyler, how are you today? Are you good? Did you sleep well? Yeah? Good. What do you want to do today? Oh, you want to go to the park with Roxy? Or you want to maybe take Roxy for a walk? Yeah, you do? Okay, you want to go to the park? That sounds like fun. Do you want to go to the mall too? No? You're right. There's too many people at the mall. Uh-oh, did you swallow something funny? That was funny. You okay, bud? Are you okay, buddy? Yeah, sounds like you're okay. Yeah, I know. I hate it when I cough or get something stuck in my throat, too. Alright, say bye-bye to the camera. Can you say bye-bye to the camera? No?